Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, kindly like, subscribe and share. Today we'll be touring Gikomba Market and then we'll go through the Mombasa Road all the way to Kobil Area around Imara Daima Estate. Gikomba Market is one of the largest markets in East and Central Africa. It has over 2,000 traders and its history dates back to the colonial period. So today I boarded the city shuttle bus. I paid a fare of 40 shillings to Imara Daima Kobil Area. We are currently on the Haile Selassie Avenue and we are about to enter the Uhuru Highway.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars.
This is the Nyayo Stadium roundabout. One of its famous attributes is the traffic jam. Guys, the traffic congestion on this roundabout is terrible. It's terrible. Just look. the buildings you can see, this is the South Sea area. You can also see the beautiful Ole Sereni as well as the Southern Bypass flyover at a distance. Wow, it's gorgeous. I will end my video here, but thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.